Welcome back, everybody. We are headed into the Jordan floor plan offered by DR Horton here in Santan Valley. If you're in the market for a new home, give me a call. Let's get you out here. So we're going to do this together for the first time. Never been in this floor plan before, so everything I'm seeing for the first time, just like you. So here's bedroom number 1 right off the front door. We're just going to head right into it. This is really cute. I like the floor plan already because, for one, the rooms aren't small. So we're going to go to the corner and do a little pan around so you can see what we're talking about here. That's a full-size bed, and there's still plenty of room to go up if you needed to go up to like a queen. And there's closet space, and I like that. That's really pretty. Love the butterfly. I just like this room. Very nice. So that's bedroom number 1. We're going to go across the hall to bedroom number 2, which is a little differently oriented. So it feels like it takes away some of the space, but it's probably the same size as the other one. Again, if you wanted to make the bed bigger, because of where it sits, it's going to be a little tough, honestly speaking, but you can definitely do it. That's a full-size bed. If you did a queen, based on what these nightstands look like, you should be able to do it and still have enough space in here. So I think this one's cool, and that's a pretty nifty light fixture also. So again, we're going to go to the corner of the room and do a swing around so you can see how far that is from the door into the actual bedroom itself. Pretty cool. Nice little Albert Einstein tribute there. So out here you have your bathroom. So it's a nice wide bathroom. You do have your toilet over behind the wall there, so a little hidden. Nice tub and shower combo. Here is your linen shelf behind the door, tucked away nicely. This one again does have double sinks. And I like the fixtures that were chosen here as well. So I do like this one. I like the flooring also, so good combination. Now what I really like is how it just really opens up as you go back out into the family area. So before we go there, let's see what's around this corner. So around this corner here, because you're going to come in through the front door, just to give you an idea where we are. You come in through the front door, your 2 bedrooms are there. You come back a little bit and then go off to the right, and that's where your utility room is, and it's a big utility room. So you can put all kinds of shelving over there for storage or whatever you want to do. But then what's going on here? Oh, it goes straight into the primary. Okay, we're going to do that in a minute. So let's go back. And then that's going to go out into the garage. And you've got the little mud area here, or you can put a desk there or whatever you want to do, a little mail table. You got all kinds of little options with this little corner here. So that's pretty nifty. But this laundry room, though, that's a boss move. I like it. All right, so heading back into the rest of the house, you have your dining area here off to the right. Once you come through the front door, there's your pantry there. We'll get in there in a second. Here's a nice little area here. This is nice. I like this. So you actually have 2 patios. You have a patio on the side of the house, and then there's a patio in the back over there. We'll get to that one in a second. But here's your living room. Back over off to the left from the front door. Your kitchen, everything's open, so you've got that nice ranch feel. Everything's open. You can see, if you're one of those people who likes to entertain, you actually do have a walk-in pantry. It's not a big one, but it's big enough, and you still have plenty of cabinets. That's what I was trying to say. Cabinet space as well. So, and then we're going to go back there in just a second, but just take a look. I like this. It's like the more I look at it, I really do think I like it. I love how wide that area is. So don't touch my walls. Like, you shouldn't be touching my walls because you don't have to. Here's the patio. Again, it's an extended patio. So you got space to put a nice little patio table back here if you want it. Again, sidebar note, this is the landscaping that was chosen for the model, so this is not a part of the home itself, but it just gives you an idea of what you can do as far as the lot in the back. If you wanted to put a pool back there, there actually is enough space for a small pool or a hot tub or something, or a hot tub off that side over there would be cool as well. Here's another look at the kitchen with the subway tiles. Good combination there. And then here's the primary bedroom. It's got double doors. This little nook area here, like as you can see, it's like in a little office space or a little teeny nursery or whatever. And then it opens up into the bedroom itself. Back over here. Plenty of room, again, for a king size bed if that's your pleasure. Or you can keep it simple with a queen size bed and have plenty of wall space. And then over here is your primary bathroom. And again, it's a lot of space. Good grief. Okay, so this area here, you can put all kinds of shelving stuff over there, whatever you want to do. There's the shower there. Or if you change that out and wanted to do like a tub here and a shower here, you got so much space, you can do what you want. Here's your linen shelf over here. Here's your bathroom in that little room there. You've got your double sinks with your plenty of counter space. So no worries on counter space. Everybody's got enough. But just look how big the area is in the bathroom. That's a lot of space in here. And then what's cool, your closet is here and it's a nice size closet. And I like how open the closet is, but it goes right into that laundry room. So you don't have to walk all the way through the house to bring your laundry. You can just bring it through your closet, or when you're coming in, you can come in through the garage, go right into your room. You don't have to go all the way around the house. So that is pretty cool. I like that. So again, we're in the Jordan floor plan. This one is offered in Santan Valley, but if you're somewhere else and you're wondering if it's there, give me a buzz. We'll find out for you. It's not a hard phone call to make. Just let us know what we can do. So again, DR Horton, Jordan, 623-207-7146. Give me a call and let's make an appointment to get you out here to see this thing in person yourself before they sell them out. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me yet again. Bye.